welcome. Hey guys, I'm Phaye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi. My name is Phaye Mailu and welcome to my channel. I hope all of you had a lovely week. I hope you're having an amazing day. And last week I didn't film again. I know the inconsistency. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm going to miss another upload. If you enjoy today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. First of all, to all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And to the new people who haven't met me, hi! Yeah, I'm Faye and I do tutorials, I think. Yeah, I do tutorials. So yeah, join the family, subscribe, click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. If you find this video helpful, share it. So follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Mailu. With that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and first thing is I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm just using that to brush up my brows and set them in place. And then to just fill in my brows, I am using the Davis pencil and it's in the number 040. So the next thing I'm going to do is my eyeshadow, and I'm going to start off with this eye of camera and then I'll come back, we'll do this eye together, okay? So I'm back and the first thing I did was prime my eyelids, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer in the shade 40. So now I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you can really see what I'm going to be doing. Good. So I'm going to be using the shade Magical Point, which is a dark brown. And I'm just going to put it on the outer parts of my eye and bring it into my crease, but not all the way, just like halfway. Yeah, just like that. And to deepen out that shade, I'm going to use Midnight, which is this black. And then to blend that out completely, I am going to go into the shade Burnt Sienna. So the next eyeshadow shade that I went in with was the shade Pinky Promise, which is this bright pink here. And I'm just going to put it right next to that black and start blending it out so that there's no harsh lines. Yeah, so that everything looks nice and blended. So after that, I took a white eyeliner pencil and I put that all over the inner part of my eyes before I put my last eyeshadow shade, sort of to prime my eyelids. And then my last eyeshadow shade will be the shade Bubbly. So I think my eyeshadow is done for the most part. So let me just put on some eyelashes and we can continue with the rest of the tutorial. Now I'm going to contour my face, and the concealer that I'll be using is the Elegant Pro Concealer, which is in the shade Dark Cocoa. And I'm using this blending brush to blend my contour. And for foundation, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. So for concealer, I'm going to still be using the Maybelline Fit-Me. And I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the sides of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I think that's it. So I'm just going to put on my eyeshadow on my lower lash line before I put on some blush. Okay, now I'm going to contour my face, and the concealer that I'll be using is the Elegal Pro Concealer, which is in the shade Dark Cocoa. And I'm using this blending brush to blend my contour. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. So for concealer, I'm going to still be using the Maybelline Fit-Me. And I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the sides of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I think that's it. So I'm just going to put on my eyeshadow on my lower lash line before I put on some blush. So for blush, I am going to use the pink shades in my eyeshadow palette. Okay, so now let me set my face, and I am going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, now I'm going to put on some highlight on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the axe of my brows, and I think my cupid's bow. To outline my lips, I'm going to be using a maroon lip liner. And the gloss that I'll be using is this one. So I just went and changed my earrings and put on these ones. And this is the finished look for today, guys. I'm really happy with how my eyeshadow turned out. Like, I know I say that a lot, but I am. Like, today it looks so good. Last week, I couldn't film. I was going through a lot. I was just feeling very low, and yeah, I didn't want to, put that kind of energy out there for you guys. So I took a break, like 1 week break, and I feel much better now that I just sat down and did my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and click on the bell icon while you're subscribing so that you can get notified the next time I upload. Also, if you find this video helpful, share it. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. And since you guys are still here, watch one of these two videos. I mean, just watch. I promise it's good content. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Till next week. Bye!